Wow, dice critties.
Why, thank you.
G'day guys and girls, this is Josh from Dice Critties, your friendly neighbourhood DM. Here are 5.5 quick tips for token movement and map navigation. For clear and efficient movement, select and hold down your token with the left mouse button. From there, drag it to a point that you want to move without letting go. Tap Q or right click. This will create a waypoint and measure your distance moved. You can make multiple waypoints to show the exact route that you took to other players and DMs. Let go of your token when you are happy with the movement that you have made. To review other tokens' movement, just simply select the token and tap X. Hold E when your token is selected while scrolling with your mouse to rotate it. Fantastic if you can't grab that stupid little box or have shaky hands. Like your parents after catching you in bed with a Travis Willingham poster, your tokens will automatically snap. To stop them from snapping, hold Alt while dragging them. Great for those tavern maps where your level 13 wizard never really mastered the arts of sitting on a stool. You can ping a specific point on a map by holding down left click where you want to draw attention to. DMs can hold shift and ping a location on the map to draw all other players to the screen's location. You can hold down the right mouse button while over the map to smoothly scroll left, right and all around. This saves the hassle of using the scrolling bars and brings a much more cinematic experience to your gameplay. As a quick bonus tip that a surprising amount of players don't know is that you can select your token and use the arrow keys to move them one square at a time. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope these tips helped you out. If so, please like and leave a comment below with any other tips that you think others might find helpful below. Thanks to Dungeons & Dragons Australia's Facebook page for supporting this channel and the amazing community that it's gathered. Special thanks to JessicArt, who does all the artwork for this channel. Links to both pages are in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one.